So I'm trying to get more comfortable at this whole talking to the camera thing, which is not, especially, well, I think I'm okay with that. It's just talking with people around. You see, my voice gets quieter already. I need to own it. I am a YouTuber. I've got 17 videos up. I need to get over this whole fear of worrying what people think, and I don't have my selfie stick with me today. Damn it. I guess I'm taking that video tomorrow.
I just bought a new whip, spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rockin' all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. Live my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
And that's usually how the morning goes. And somehow I've managed to, okay, no, this is a little painful. I was going to say I managed to harden my feet to this new Kiwi lifestyle. I couldn't actually walk on these rocks before. Now I am. And it's true, guys, it's true. You hear about it, but I've lived it. People do go to the grocery stores and just in general, different places in town barefoot. And I may have taken part in this practice myself when in New Zealand. So this is my morning commute. So they're letting us loose with shearing, they call it lobs here, anyways, whatever. They're letting us loose on the orchard with these things, doing some pruning. They're pruners. And oh my gosh, twice I've nipped myself on the finger. There's nothing else to add to that. Alright, so I'm trying to get more comfortable talking to this thing, especially with people around. I tend to get quieter when people are around because, I don't know, I'm just not embarrassed, but just I feel uncomfortable, especially telling people that, oh yeah, I make videos, they're on YouTube. I need to get over that because I'm starting to get more serious about this in the sense of releasing videos once a week instead of whenever it is I felt like, which sometimes would be 2 months. Anyways, one more week of orchard work and then I'm retired. Well, for the rest of the year anyways. My final week at work also meant it was my final week of living at the flat. And with the holidays coming up, not only did I have to get myself moved out, but I also wanted to get some Christmas baking done. So, some new developments when it comes to the visa situations here in New Zealand. I'm currently on a working holiday visa. It's a year-long visa and it expires on January 11th. However, because of COVID, it has been extended. So, I have got a 6-month extension, which is ideal because of everything I still want to do, and saves me a couple of bucks. If I wanted to extend, I could have done that, and I would have had to do an 11-month extension, which means that I would need to get a medical as well as pay out of pocket, and that would have run me, I think the medical is about $500, visa is $250. But I'm getting this 6 months extension for free. So we'll see how that goes. So, technically today, oh no, I don't like to use the word technically. Today was my last day at the Kiwi Orchard. However, we got rained out, which is perfect because I really still have a lot of admin to get to. So much packing and cleaning, and you know what? I'm really looking forward to having just a day to get my stuff together before I move out tomorrow morning. I feel bad for those who have driven a very long distance. Shout out to you guys. Well done. But secretly, I'm really happy for myself. Okay. So let's get to some work. Something I'm very excited about doing. Throwing out my nasty, nasty shoes. Farewell shoes. You've done me well.